Three-side seal bags can also be custom printed by using up to 9 colors within the printing process. They are also the cheapest option for flexible packaging. They are suitable for packaging products such as pharmaceutical goods, powder form substances, spices, energy supplements, cosmetic products, and any other food related products. Features of a three-side seal bag include a tear notch, Euro slot, zipper. Three-side seal bags can also be in a matte finish or a shiny finish.